Alright, so I'm getting my charcoal going on the hibachi. Just got it in a little pyramid right now, getting started. And then once it's going good, we'll spread it out and get it ready for grilling. Okay, I've spread out the charcoals. They're just about ready. So I spread them out because I was getting hungry, didn't want to wait till they were a little more done. Pork chops are glazed and ready to go on the grill. Grilling. Getting ready. Here we've got it grilling. Got some good grill marks on there. It's looking delicious and smelling delicious too. So it's gonna be good. So I got 2 done, and I got 2 more going. I had to drop the grill right onto the coals pretty much because it was just cooling off so much I wasn't getting good grill marks. And I think it's a little better. So that's how far we are. I got 1 more to go and we'll be eating good. And they're done, along with some fried potatoes and onions my wife made. It's gonna be a delicious lunch.